Hey everyone, it's me, Code1996, and I am here with a box. So let's see what's inside this box, shall we? Da-da-da-da. Right here, we can see we have an extended crevice tool. You push this button here, and this would extend out like so. Here's our extended crevice tool. That is a nice long crevice tool that would definitely get alongside in the car. So that's very nice. We'll set that to the side. Next we have is the attachments bag. Next we have a dusting brush. So right here we have the dusting brush. You can see the airflow inlets at the front and the back. It has nice lint grabbing material here. Nice soft bristles, and it will stick to any angle that you can put it at for cleaning above and below your fans, which is very, very nice. I like this. So we have a long box, and the only thing I can imagine this being is the under appliance cleaning wand. Wow, that is one heck of a tool. Alright, so this rotates. You can put it at a different angle if you want to. So there's light lint grabbing here for gliding across the floor. Let's take this off here. Okay, so we got that off, and look at this. Nice big suction channels right here for large debris. A nice felt type material here for dusting the floors to get the debris loose to be picked up. And it also extends to about twice this length right here. So we will try to extend it right now, like that, look, right here. And that is about how long it is, so you can clean underneath your refrigerator, you can clean under your oven, your washer and dryer, and this is going to be a very good thing to test out at my house because I don't have a tool like this to clean underneath anything. You can see right here, it is fully extended. It will be able to completely clean underneath any of your appliances, the multi-flex under appliance wand. That is a very nice attachment, and it's very long. Alright, so let's open this box and let's see what's inside this box here. More exciting things. Alright. There's one thing in there. Alright, that's everything. This is the caddy for dragging along behind you the shark when it's in lift-away mode. Do not use as a toy. It's for a vacuum. It has a nice bumper around the edge, which is nice. Let's check the wheels. They are plastic wheels. That could have been higher quality. That could have been rubber coated to allow it to not scratch or mar the floors. So if you have expensive floors, you might not want to use the caddy. You might just want to hold it. So now we have to take out the main machine. So we are here with the Shark Apex Powered Lift Away with Duoclean and 0M technology. So this is Shark's newest full-size upright machine. Alright, so let's take a look. Ooh, first thing when you open it, the instructions. Quick start guide. Let's take a quick glimpse. Okay. You can see everything that it comes with inside. Okay. So I don't want this to fall off the table. But first thing we take out is the hose. Right here. Next, looks like we have the powered upholstery tool. Right here. Sharp motorized pet tool. Deep cleaning motorized pet brush. You can see it folds for storage. You rotate the store, and then you just spin it to make it attach. So you push this down. To make this work, you just attach it down like that, and now you have pretty stiff bristles. Suction inlet at the front, and you adjust front and back so you can clean the stairs and upholstery, and you can pull out this to clean the brush inside. And you just rotate this to store on the machine, and there's the wand release. And there is a nice seal right there sealing this to the suction inlet here, which is good. Here you can see the different settings for the hard floors. This will light up when in use. There's a light right there so you can see. I'm guessing this is where the suction release happens, and there, the suction relief valve. And so carpets, carpet low pile, and thick carpet area rug. So yeah, that probably releases the airflow in there. You can see the valve in there opening and closing. So that is what happens there. There's an on and off button there. So that's nice. There's a nice seal right here on the end of this where it would plug into the machine. It's a nice metal wand. Feels like it could be aluminum. It's pretty lightweight, has a nice open end for airflow and large objects. That's nice. Alright, so I am pulling out the 0M cleaner head. I'm running out of space on the table. So much comes with this machine. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull out this box right here. I don't even know what could be in this box. I already have so much already. More shark accessories. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the TruPet version. This comes with everything on the website that they include. So here is the main unit. Oh, that wasn't really that heavy. Alright, so let's look at this. Ooh, that's nice and pretty. Ooh, that's really packaged good. They didn't want that to get damaged at all. Oh wow. So it's like a rubber strip right here. It's like a rubber, it feels rubbery on the side. And then the other side it has like a fabric-y. So that kind of would help to remove dirt, I would too think, by like flicking carpet. These are so stiff, these brushes. They're kind of spread out too, to allow the hair to have a place to go and slide through, so that's nice. It has the carpet, to push down the carpet, these metal things right here. This is a really nice soft roller brush. It feels like there's two different types of material in this one roller brush, which is nice. It doesn't look like it would clean very close on either side. There's like 1.5 inches here, and then like seems like about a little more on that side. So yeah, that doesn't look like that would clean that well. Oh wow, look at this. This is gorgeous. To ensure brush roll reactivation, lid must be completely closed. Press each side firmly until lid clicks into place. Okie dokie. That is good to know, thank you. So, we just undo it like this. That comes off. There's a nice seal in here. You can see this. This is what's supposed to grab onto the hair off of this rubber thing here. It pulls it as it's spinning, and it's supposed to pull the hair off and clean the brush roll. So we will see how well that works, because we do have long hair in this house. You can see the nice open airflow inlet at the back. It's really nice and spread out in there. So this is a very interesting brush roll. So we will definitely be seeing how well that works on the golden retriever pet hair. So you click it down on both sides to make sure it works. It's a pretty heavy floor nozzle, but that just shows that it's pretty high quality. It has nice rubber on each side of these wheels, and it's pretty smooth gliding across the table. This is the Shark Anti-Allergen Dust Brush. This is really nice. I even like this one better than the other one. This is nice, soft. There's air inlets along the side right there, and in the middle right here in the front. Like, this is a really nice dusting brush. Look at all these different levels of brushes for dusting. This even rotates. You can rotate this. So if you have to clean up on the top of something, you can rotate it and clean up on the top or the side or anything. That's really nice. I really like this dusting brush. We have another crevice tool. This is just a basic crevice tool. It does have an airflow inlet right here. Here's the upholstery tool. It has nice stiff bristles. This will be good for use in the car to get the sand or out of the car seats or anything of that nature. You can see a nice wide open channel for large objects and airflow. And I'm going to push the release button, and here it has lint grabbers and nice airflow lints along the sides. So this will be completely down, but it will still be able to clean via, it has airflow because it won't be completely sealed. It will have those inlets along the side like this to assist with picking up debris. And this also rotates for different angles that you would have to clean, which is very, very convenient, as you can see. That's nice. I really like this attachment. And that just clips right back in there like so. Okay, so we have finally taken everything out of the box. And this is everything that you get when you order the TruPet model of the Shark Duoclean with 0M powered lift away. And we are going to get this assembled. Okay, so we're going to put this together. We're going to first take this, put the cord around back. We're going to slide this right on to here like so. Just like that. Just lined it right up and set it right up on there. This button right here is the press for powered lift away. So you can see right here, those line right up with this right here. And so you put it on and slide it right down like that into place. Okay, so we have the dusting brush attached right there. And now we're going to take this with the wand release toward the middle. And we're going to click it into place just like that. And so that's attached there. We're going to take this end of the hose and we're going to attach it. Alright, so you just click that right in there. Firmly secure the hose, which is exactly what we just did. So we're going to take this and we're going to slip this right down into here like so. Just like that. Line it up right here. And click it right down securely into place, and then you take this and you attach this right to the top right here, just like so. Alright, so we have our Shark Apex powered lift away Duoclean with 0M completely assembled. We're about to take a look at the dust cup. We're going to push that button there. Let's take a look. That actually has more of a cone shape to it now. Maybe that will help assist with the hair not being entangled, and it will suction it, like move it up and out into the actual dirt bin. So here is the standard Shark filters. So there is no seal on this at all whatsoever. Sealing this down into there. It's just plastic against plastic. That is pretty cheap to me, honestly. I feel like there needs to be some type of seal on this there. And let's pull this, and yeah, there's no seal or anything right here sealing this filter and keeping the dust to make it go through this first. So we'll see how well that works, because the previous models have a strip of rubber going around this. So I wonder why they skimped us out on that. So we'll see, because nothing's going to stop it. Forcing it to go through these holes here if there's no rubber going around the end like this. So I don't know what they're thinking right there. And right in here, there is the HEPA filter. I'm not going to take that out and disturb the factory seal.